In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your photos into stunning pencil sketches using Adobe Photoshop. This process is ideal for creating unique artistic renditions of your images, all without the mess of actual pencil shavings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to turn any photograph into a beautifully stylized sketch. To start off, let's preserve the integrity of your original image by duplicating the background layer. It's crucial to create a duplicate before making any edits, as this ensures you'll always have the unaltered original to fall back on if needed. With your duplicated layer ready, it's time to move to the desaturation step. By converting the layer to grayscale, either through adjusting the hue and saturation or by employing an adjustment layer, we'll eliminate color and focus solely on the tones, setting the foundation for our sketch effect. Now, let's bring this sketch to life. To create an inverted pencil sketch appearance, invert the colors of your duplicated layer. This can be done by navigating to Image, then Adjustments, and selecting Invert. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl or Command+I. This step will give your image a negative look, which will transform further to resemble a sketch. The next thing to do is apply a Gaussian blur. Head to Filter Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Here, you'll adjust the radius to change the thickness of your sketch lines. A larger radius results in softer lines, whereas a lower radius sharpens them. Once you're satisfied with the blur, change the blending mode of this blurred layer to Color Dodge. This creates the striking contrast characteristic of pencil sketches. With the sketch effect taking shape, we can refine it further for a more polished look. Start by adding a Levels adjustment layer. This tool allows you to tweak the brightness and contrast of your image, fine-tuning the dynamics of your sketch. Tack on a black and white adjustment layer to strip away lingering color from the image, offering a more authentic hand-drawn feel. Both of these layers can be adjusted in terms of opacity and blending modes, so don't hesitate to experiment until the sketch looks just right to you. If you want to push your creativity even further, consider embellishing your sketch with additional details. Dive into the filter gallery to uncover stylized effects such as glowing edges, which can add depth to your art. Need to bring out some details? The Smart Sharpen filter is perfect for enhancing the edges of your sketch, making it crisper. And for those finishing touches, use the brush tool for retouching, whether it's to add subtle details or to refine specific areas for a well-defined sketch. By following these steps, you're now equipped to transform any photo into a captivating pencil sketch. Enjoy experimenting with this technique and let your creativity shine through each unique artwork you create.